The ducks fly low at midnight.
I'm sorry, what?
The ducks fly low at midnight.
I'm sorry, Chris Packham. Is that supposed to mean something to me?
No, I'm a spy. It's a secret code thing.
I mean, I don't mean to tell you about your job, but you probably shouldn't tell me you're a spy.
Oh, just forget it then. Well, that was weird, but it's given me an idea for an activity.
Being a spy is all about keeping things secret. So I'm going to show you how to make a secret code to send secret messages to your friends. Now we're going to use the simplest code there is. It's called a substitution code. And it's called a substitution code because you simply substitute or swap one letter for another. Write the alphabet out on a piece of paper. You will use this to write the message that you want to send. This is called your plain text. The simplest code is to slide the letters along by one letter. A becomes B, C becomes D, and so on. This is what you will use to produce your ciphertext or your secret text. I'm going to turn the word hello into our ciphertext or our secret text. H is I in our code and E is F. Double L becomes double M and the O becomes P. Can you use my code to decipher this message? Now, if your friend has the code, they can decode your secret messages and write new ones for you to decode. Or if you want to be really clever, you could put a number 2 at the beginning of your code to show that you've moved the letters by 2 letters. Or you could draw 5 dots to say that you've moved the letters by 5 letters. It's really up to you. Or if you want to make a different code, you could swap each letter for a number instead. Now, if you excuse me, I've got to be somewhere. But you ain't seen me, right? Forgot my keys.